Hi guys! For today's video, samahan niyo ako na pumunta sa San Pablo Church. Brief description nga pala sa San Pablo Church. Ang San Pablo Church sa Isabela ay isang makasaysayang simbahan na itinayo noong 1624. Kaya ito ang pinakamatandang simbahan sa probinsya ng Isabela. Matatagpuan ito sa bayan ng San Pablo, Isabela at kilala bilang isang makasaysayang pamanang kultura ng bansa. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Samahan nyo na ako pumunta sa San Pablo Church.
Hey guys! Welcome to our channel! Today, sasamahan niyo kami sa isang geometry adventure dito sa San Pablo Church Ruins. Yes, ruined, pero hindi ruined ang ganda namin. Eme, walang ganon! Let's go!
Tignan nyo naman no, luma na, pero mas buo pa rin sa love life ko. Aray ko! Pero seryoso, look at the symmetry, the balance, and the pattern. Kaya guys, geometrying na dito!
So let's talk about symmetry. Left, right, balance. Parang grade ko lang. Hindi mataas, hindi mababa. Kidding! And arcs, etong OG weightlifting ng mga architecture. Kaya kahit ilang lito lang dumaan, nakatayo pa rin sila.
Alam nyo ba guys, geometry helps shape culture. Dito natitipon yung mga tao noon. Parang group chat, pero mas organized. Ang structure ng church, ito ang nagiging center ng festival, gathering at chismisan.
Op, tama ba narinig ko, Christian? Chismisan? Parang duda ako dyan.
ISD community.
Geometry didn't just build walls, it builds identity. Yung ancestors natin, grabe mag-design no? Hindi sila okay na. Everything was patterned, arranged, and geometrics. Check this bricks. Arrange, pattern, and have beautiful lines. Parang yung kaklase mong maganda magsulat. Kaya patingin nga ng sulat mo, geometry is the blueprint of beauty.
You see the circles? Ito yung octopus, symbol of eternity. Parang pag nag-absent yung classmate mo once, eternal na yung pagtatanong sa'yo, and these vertical lines. Ito yung nagsasabing, hey, look up, hindi lang problema ang tumataas, pati inspiration.
Kahit ruins na at sira-sira na itong simbahan na to, still maganda pa rin. Katulad ng ex ko, maganda pero sa picture niya lang, joke lang. Pero seryoso, geometry lost the proportion, balance, and shape to make this place beautiful. Look at that naman, napakaganda. And makikita mo rin dito sa simbahan na to na talagang timeless at classic ang pagkakagawa. Para katulad ko, crush kita, sigurang alam.
Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na dito sa San Pablo Church Ruins. Let's go!
Teka lang, saan tayo sasakay?
Here in Cabagan, Isabela, the Calesa would serve as a popular mode of transportation, while its use has declined with the rise of modern vehicles. It remains a significant part of the town cultural heritage and can be still seen around the area.
Welcome back mga ka-geometrics! Nandito kami ngayon sa Cabagan upang bisitahin ang The Calesa. Yup, kabayo plus cart equals instant transport plus instant aesthetic. Pero syempre, syempre, geometrics pa rin tayo today. Kasi kahit sa kalesa, may math yan best. Let's roll!
Ayan oh, may malaking kalesa. Kahit na meron ganito sa school, alam ko, late pa rin ako. Pero tingnan nyo tayo. Lines, curves, and wheels. Hindi lang pang transpo, pang culture din.
Geometric net.
Offensive side-eye.
Circle. Symbolize na walang katapusang quizzes.
Aray ko.
Carrot! Circle is the heart of movement. Perfect symmetry, perfect form. Ay aba, pag square yan, hindi yan naandar. Parang relasyon ni Christian, stagnant.
Look at this line. Horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. Parang pinworm sila, parang triangle. Pero ito, functional. At yung halving, may angle sila. Obtuse, acute, at right. But still, right than my position in my life.
Alam niyo ba guys, noong unang panahon, nakalesa shape culture big time. Ito ang polygraph. Walang search, walang translation, walang primary speech ng other in the geometric shape of the design for balance and comfort. Kaya nakakarating ng mga tao sa anumang festival, simbahan at chismisan. Ate, saan po kayo?
Ganyan po.
Eh, pupunta lang kayo sa chismisan eh.
Di lang basta sasakyan to. Yung design, curve plus line, equal to condition.
Tignan nyo tong pintura. Patterns everywhere. Repetition, symmetry, and colors. Parang board ng artist. Ganito lang maganda ang handwriting ko. And sana, mataas na rin self-esteem ko.
Classic, elegant, balance. The beauty of geometry make a simple things like a heart look iconic.
So ayun, from church to Metropolisa, makikita natin how geometry works, shape sculptures and beauty, nila buildings and transform. Kaya kay geometry, always remember, shape triangles and circles, they're everywhere.
Tignan niyo to, oh. The water flows in a pattern. Hindi random yan. The waves, they follow curves and repeating rhythm. Nature uses geometry para mas maging aesthetic. At syempre, pwede tong profile picture. Sana ganito din Facebook ang buhay, no?
Guys, these rocks ay may natural symmetry and shape. Hindi sila perfect, pero may pattern. Parang effort ko sa group works. Pero seryoso, kahit simpleng bato, may geometry na. Layers, curve, age, natural version of design without the designer.
Di bunal.
Look at the wave, guys. Repeating lines, repeating curve. Artistic siya, the way the water hits the rocks.
Sayaw na ta pre, araw di ta makansi. Kauban si DJ Ernie, wall of Jed Perme. Sayaw na ta day, wala tay tupahay. Kauban ang
Kaya lang, bigyan mo ng pagmamahal sa ginagawa. Dedikasyon.
It creates mini patterns, mini lines, and mini curves.
Equals beauty hits different. Kasi hindi flat, pero geometric pa rin siya. The lines, textures, curves. Parang feelings ko, chaotic, pero may shape.
Guys, tignan nyo tong spot na ito. Patterns everywhere. May ripple lines sa tubig, pebble arrangement, and shadow creating lines. Parang gallery, pero libre. Geometry is not just in building, kahit sa mga bato na hindi nagbabayad ng tax.
That's a wrap!
From the timeless church ruins,
To the iconic Canessa statue and down to the peaceful river.
we saw how geometric shapes everything from buildings, culture.
Everyday beauty around us.
Kita nyo, hindi lang siya math.
Geometry is life.
And through symmetry, patterns, and design,
The world become more beautiful.
Thank you for joining our geometric adventure.
Bye!
Madalas ako'y nagbibiro, pero sa'yo ko'y seryoso. Ikaw